In the first video of this series, we show how we got these powerful hashes. We're going to be using again the administrator hash. In the previous attacks, what we have done is that we have always required some interaction, either from the user downloading something, and then using, some of them I use Kali, some of them, the second one I did not use Kali. But what this attack is so special is that you'll see that armed with these hashes, I don't need the user to do anything. I'm going to execute commands on his behalf without the user interacting at all. And this is a fileless type of attack, which makes its detection a little harder as well. So we have a clean QRadar system here. We have, as before, well, actually, we're not going to do anything with the Windows client. We have the domain controller here with ATA. We clean everything on ATA, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to open 2 terminal sessions here in Kali remotely, right? And we're going to be issuing these 2 commands. This basically starts the meterpreter and it's ready. And in the second window is where you're going to be issuing a PowerShell command on the domain controller without anybody in the domain controller doing anything. Actually paste the command and I explain it here. Notice that this is the wmiexec. Here's the hash, the powerful hash that we collected in the first part of the attack. That's the 130, which is the domain controller, and I'm executing this PowerShell, but also the command I'm running is encoded with base64. You've seen me in previous videos showing how you easily can do encode base64, which bad guys abuse to obfuscate the nature of the attack. Again, nothing needed to be done here on the domain controller, yet this command was executed there remotely with a fileless type of attack. Let's actually see what QRadar can detect out of this. So as we see, we get an offense that basically is telling us this is fileless. This is an attack that is done all in memory. Let's actually explore the actual offense. Let's see what rules have contributed to the actual attack. And we have several. Again, some of these are part of the Sysmon package without getting any Sysmon logs, just plain Windows event logs. Here in the rules that contribute to the offense, we can highlight. Let's take a look at the first one in here. We can actually see the logic of that one, and notice that it's detecting that encoded PowerShell is being used. This one not only detects encoded PowerShell, but also that is a fileless type of attack. And the other one, PowerShell has been detected, and excessive usage of system tool. Again, these are Sysmon rules without the Sysmon logs, working with standard Windows events. Let's actually move and see ATA, and you see ATA detected that an execution, a remote execution, which is what this just did. Notice that it does not detect the usage of encoded within the PowerShell.